How to play Steam games offline. Now, first of all, if you go ahead and pull up your Steam client and log in into your account, you need to fully understand first that not all specified games on Steam are going to be playable while on offline mode. There are a lot of games that requires internet connection for you to be able to play it, but there are also a lot of games that you can still play offline. Now, what you want to do to activate offline mode is, of course, open up your Steam client, log in into your Steam account, and then at the top left portion of your screen that says Steam or on the Steam icon, click that and choose on Go Offline. Now you should be able to know that you're already on offline mode because it will be indicated below right here. Click that, and then all the games that you can play offline will be visible here, and then just simply hit play so that you can launch the game. And that is how you play Steam games offline.